Welcome back. I'm BK, and we are back on our investing run. Our second $1,000 has been loaded in, and we are ready to invest again. Remember, we're investing for the long term on this account. This is not a day trading thing, and you should seek, this is a disclaimer. You should get a financial advisor to give you advice because I'm not one. But let's get into this. I want to tell you about the stock I like that we already own that we're going to be adding to in this account, and it's Moderna because today we got some news. The FDA is pausing Johnson and Johnson's vaccine because of I think it's six clotting cases that have blood clotting cases that happened in the United States. There's more information rolling out about that. It's kind of the same amount as the flu so far. They have blood clot cases with that as well. But how this affects Moderna in the short term is, of course, positive for the stock. Remember, we're investing in Moderna for the long term because of mRNA's technology. This isn't putting a live virus into you. Moderna is this new mRNA vaccine that's creating proteins in your body. This is revolutionary, and that's why we're going to continue to add to it. I also wanted to go ahead and put the next 1,000 in the account because we had a pullback in DraftKings, even though we have two states that just legalized sports gambling right now. So we're going to be adding to that. And I'm going to be showing that in another video. But I wanted to start off today with the news about Johnson & Johnson and Moderna. This puts Moderna and Pfizer at the front because AstraZeneca has had its own problems and it's not approved in the United States. So we know that Moderna and Pfizer are both mRNA technology, and they are soaring today. Moderna is going to open up right here. It's already been up a lot since we bought it, but it is going to open up another $9 up. It might even hit 150 today. On my other account, that's good because I have options on Moderna. But for this sake, that's going to be good. We have a pullback in Palantir too right now. So what's happening this week is you have some rotations. Some stay-at-home stocks are doing good because of this news, but also you've got some interest rate fears, inflation stuff. This is the Fed week. We have a lot of earnings about to report too, which is why today we're going to be adding a financial stock. We're going to take a look at Morgan & Stanley, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and some of the other options. And of course, we're going to add just a little bit to our SoFi probably, or what it's going to be our SoFi. I put YOE. It's pulled back a little bit, and we're just waiting for that. And other big news, today is the day that Coinbase, or a day out for Coinbase becoming a stock, and it is projected to be at 100 billion. That is really, really high, and it may honestly not be worth it. That may be too much. I think it's going to be it's a great company. Crypto is definitely here to stay, but $100 billion valuation right off the bat, that is a little steep. So you could see this stock debut and then pull way back. We'll have to take a look at that when it comes out. So we're about to start today. The market's about to open. First thing I'm going to do is add to Moderna. That's what this video is kind of for. I should have another video coming out in one each day about what we're adding this week. Remember, we're investing for the long term, so what we're buying here, we're looking at like a 5 to 10 year hold because we want to do long term companies we believe in for reasons, whether it's future technology like Palantir or like, they have something coming down the pipe like GM and Ford for EV. Anyway, I'm BK, and I will see you in the next video.